Having a fair eating routine is basic for our physical and psychological well-being. At the point when we ingest great nourishments, we reinforce our bodies and forestall a progression of illnesses and well-being conditions, similar to diabetes, heart ailments, and hypertension. Did you realize that the cerebrum, much the same as some other organ, likewise needs explicit supplements to work to its maximum capacity? The encephalon, the upper piece of the focal sensory system which controls our body, needs significantly more than just proteins, carbs, and fats. Along these lines, ingesting a decent blend of micronutrients, minerals and nutrients, is significant. In the present video, you will figure out how to help your cerebrum with the best minerals. Calcium functions as a cell banner, demonstrating to the cell what is going to occur. It is additionally liable for the correspondence between synapses, which makes calcium fundamental to the satisfactory working of nerves and muscles. A need or abundance of calcium is identified with expanded touchiness and irritation of the manifestations of discouragement, and can likewise cause muscle fits and summed-up weakness. Great wellsprings of calcium incorporate milk and its side effects, chia seeds, beans and lentils, sardine, almonds, and others. Iron. This mineral is a piece of the creation of hemoglobin, which conveys oxygen to the cells. Its satisfactory utilization improves mental working and scholastic execution. When expended in abundance, it very well may be identified with the improvement of Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. Specialists and dietitians consistently give close consideration to press since it should be justified extents to continue filling in as a companion, and not an adversary, of our minds. Iron inadequacy can cause intellectual misfortune, serious paleness, and furthermore migraines and tension. You can discover iron in beans, meat, innards, sardine, egg yolks, beets, and dim green vegetables. Is it accurate to say that you are appreciating the video up until this point? At that point, offer us your input to tell us how we are helping you and your well-being. Likewise, offer the video a go ahead and share it with a companion who needs to watch this. Magnesium, this is one of the most significant minerals for cerebrum working since it takes an interest in numerous activities, including control of the synapse levels. This mineral is significant in light of the fact that it helps control temperament, memory, and learning. Magnesium additionally helps control the transmission of nerve motivations and fortifies bones and teeth. Magnesium insufficiency is normal, and its need can cause automatic eye jerks and nighttime leg cramps, which happens when we are not working out. In any case, when in overabundance, magnesium can intensify burdensome and Alzheimer's cases. Dim green vegetables, for example, kale and spinach, oleaginous natural products, dried apricot and figs, oats, whole wheat flour, are altogether acceptable wellsprings of magnesium. And now comes potassium. Potassium consistently cooperates with sodium, which makes it fundamental for the transmission of nerve-driving forces. Its need can cause lack of concern and shortcoming. Nourishments that are acceptable wellsprings of potassium incorporate bananas, oleaginous organic products, seeds, vegetables, avocado, entire grains, dried natural products, tomatoes, and potatoes. Sodium, this mineral is, no uncertainty, one of the most devoured the world over. Devoured as sodium chloride, or salt, it controls the apprehensive and muscle capacities and, together with potassium, keeps up the water balance in cells and tissues. Since it is available in many nourishments, it is uncommon to see sodium lack in clinical tests. Since you know the 5 micronutrients that are useful for your mind, try to include these nourishments to your eating regimen, and if you need to enhance any of them, converse with a specialist or then again dietitian who can request the important tests and guidance you on the most ideal method of taking the enhancements.